What breakfast option do you offer? Hi everyone, thank you for coming back to the channel. In today's video we are going to talk about something really interesting. Well, my name is Ahmed and this is my channel, and that is not interesting. I'm going to talk about the application itself, which is probably one of the best apps to learn English. It's called PingoLearn. First of all, I want to thank PingoLearn team for sponsoring this video and give me this opportunity to explore their platform and reviewing to you guys. Hopefully, you will get benefits from this platform. In addition, there is a free subscription for a month. All you have to do, just leave a comment, and the comment with the largest number of response will win the free subscription for a month. And this app has a variety of content that can help you with your English, and there are so many different types of topics to motivate you, to guide you, to inspire you to keep learning English. Some of you guys might have heard of this application, but you don't know how to use it. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use this application. There are mainly two parts in this application. The first one is pronunciation and the second one is grammar. And recently, the application has added a new feature, which is review. In this section, you can correct your mistakes and fix your problems in English. And if you ask me about my opinion, I would say pronunciation part is very important part to improve your English. And it is my favorite part actually, because here I can improve my pronunciation, I can improve my conversational skills, I can interact with native English speakers online. I don't have to call them because they are already here on this application. Also, I can get new expressions, new idioms, new vocabulary. Actually, it's a win-win. And we are in the application finally. See the pronunciation part, grammar, and review. Also, the pronunciation has a different type of topics like hobbies, home cooking, traveling, everything you want, everything you dream about speaking English, you can find it in this application. Also, the grammar part has many types of questions, many types of topics, which is dealing with English as well. And if you love to change the language, you can change the language to get to know your answers in your mother tongue, which is very amazing to improve your English. Let's practice our English. Let's get into the Unit 1. Okay, I'm going to head the Unit 1, dining. The first lesson is breakfast. I'm going to show you how this app works. Okay.
Good morning, sir. Can I take your breakfast order?
What breakfast option do you offer? See, I got 88% of this pronunciation. Also, I can get the Arabic translation, which is my native language. I can listen to my recording. I can listen also to the phrase itself, and I can retry this sentence if I love to get more than 88%. Let's get into another video. Next
You can
video.
choose from English, continental, or American breakfast.
Then I will have a full English breakfast. Wow, I got 100%. Okay. So this application will give you new phrases like hey, I will have. So it is a new phrase. Tap to learn more, okay? It is amazing. And now, after we finishing the pronunciation test, let's jump on the grammar part. In this part, I'm going to head the first unit, which is general. Also, you can see general, food, countries, movies, traveling, fashion, everything you want to practice with, you can practice on this application with these topics, okay? So I'm going to hit the general one. Okay, as you can see, there are a bunch of questions here. Let's get into the first one. What do you want to learn English? Why do you want to learn English? Okay. So the question is, why do you want to learn English? And this application provided you, okay, 4 words to answer this question. Okay, communicate, better, job, world. Okay, I'm going to try my luck. I want to improve my English to communicate with the other people, also to get a better job. I got 3 stars. Hopefully I will get 5 stars next time. This is all about PingoLearn. I'm going to leave the link of the application on the description box so you can get this application and download it on your cell phone. Also, it's available on Apple Store and Android Store. Finally, if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. And what's wrong with you, fly?